Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Recently I've had many people to ask how I get my pond to look like this. Well, today I'm going to show you in a few simple steps exactly what you need and how to install it. You will be surprised on how simple this is. Which is not that easy to get to. I've got a rock that holds it down. I've just got that filter or pump and filter box sitting on a concrete block, just a flat concrete block. And I have to take this hose, which is probably not going to be that simple. Actually I can take this part off. What this is a pond filter box. And everything I got at Lowe's, and at the end of the video, I'm going to show you, I'm actually in the Lowe's store, I'm going to show you exactly what I bought, how much it cost, and so on. But that top just slips off. Let me put it back down here. It slips off. And you see you got a black filter. And what this does, it protects your pump. Because if you don't put your pump in some type of container, all the debris sucks up in there and it will shut your pump off. I've actually went through that before, so that's why I got this container. You don't necessarily have to buy a container. You can make your own. Because as you see, you just need a lid, a container and a lid to go on it. So take the black filter out, or actually you will be putting yours on, but blue filter. And then this filter box comes with these little filter balls. That's just, again, to help keep the debris out of your pump. This is the pump. It snaps in right there. So you see, you just place the pump down in the filter box and put the little balls around it. But I'm going to show you here. This just twists off. That's the good thing about this particular pump. It's got a threads on it, and it just twists. You twist it on or off. That's what controls your nozzles on the top. You can pick which nozzle you want. If you want a fountain nozzle where the water sprays out in a fountain, a bell nozzle, which is what is on mine. Anyway, just twist this back on. And this pump also, I'm sorry, when you buy the filter nozzles, which I'm going to show you later in the video also, it comes with different fittings. And the pump also, the best I remember, the pump comes with different fittings also. So just make sure that's nice and snug. And I'm going to submerge this back into the water. And you see how simple this is once you know exactly what you need to buy. So I'm just going to set this on that concrete block. Now, back to this nozzle. This is called a fountain bell, I think. And if you can adjust this on how you want the water to come out. If you want the water to kind of shoot up a foot or so, you need to kind of press this plastic piece down into this plastic piece. If you want it to come out in more of a bell shape, you would raise this plastic piece up out of this. And this, you see, this turns. And what I can do with this fitting here is if I line this right here, this dial straight up and down, it's going to shut off my planter. It's going to shut off the water that goes to this hose. But you see, I've got this dial kind of turned a little to the side, and what that does is it causes the water to go out of the pond nozzle into the fountain style, and into this hose, which controls my filter box, my planter. And it just snaps back down on there, and that's all there is to that. There we go. Looks like everything is evened out pretty good. I don't see where the water's not overflowing off the sides, so that's very good. Okay, and next I'm going to be showing you exactly which pump I bought and everything. And like I said, my upcoming video is going to be on the planter filter, because eventually you don't have to have that, but eventually you are going to want some type of filtration, especially when you put fish in there. Quick if you don't have what they call a bog filter. So my next video, which will be probably in the next 24 to 48 hours, I'm going to show you exactly how I made my own bog filter, because if you look them up online, they are usually $100 and more. They're very expensive, and there's really no sense in buying one because they're very simple to make also. I'm now at Lowe's, and I'm getting the blue pun tin, $10.48. And that's what it looks like. And it's perfectly safe for fish. And then here is the pump that I have, for $52.98. And here is the filter box, and it is $45.98. And for $13.48 is the pond nozzle kit. So that's just a short list of all of them. Okay, so you see that they are a little large for this aquarium, because they stayed outside for over a year. And let me see if I can get a close-up. But yeah, they seem to love it so much on the inside. I'm kind of thinking about just getting some new fish to put outside in my pond. But also in a future video, I will show you what I did with this aquarium to get it looking so good. So until then, I hope you enjoyed my video. Again, please like, share, subscribe, all of the above. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.